Is filling and dosing a core function of your business? Fast, accurate, weight-based filling increases production agility, ensures consistent quality, and alleviates compliance concerns. However, weight-based filling of different containers and materials requires expert knowledge and tailored components. Offloading the filling process to an advanced weight controller reduces cost and complexity by delivering consistent fills even with an entry-level PLC. IND360's blazing fast processing speed and deterministic I/O control enables accurate cutoff points for precise filling results and high throughput. The integrated algorithms automatically adjust to changing material flow characteristics, while the digital signal processing reduces environmental noise and disturbances. Basic semi-automatic operation is possible with IND360's digital input and output module and its color display. Integration of IND360 into your automation system unlocks its full potential and grants you complete control over the filling process via your PLC. Installation takes only a few minutes, and the automation interface offers simple configuration and comprehensive data monitoring. Already thinking about your next project? No problem. IND360 Fill or Dose helps you get the most out of your filling or dosing system, enables compliance with global standards, legal for trade regulations, and easily connects to most automation networks. Learn more at www.mt.com/IND360.